Hi everybody. Today I have two boxes to unbox. I have Fashionsta The Box and Tried Beauty Box bag this time. The Fashionsta one came a few days ago. This is the October box and I've already opened it. And so we'll start with this one. This month's theme is Kindred Kindness. And this box has a retail value of $137. We only got 5 items this month though, so let's see what we got. First one I'm taking out is from a company called Insert Name Here. It's called Quick Slick. It's for slicking down your edges. This was in a box actually, but my daughter wanted it, so I let her go ahead and try it out first. And I think she likes it. Okay, the next item is in this little plastic bag. This is a pair of lashes. And this is from Base Blue. And these are Swift lashes, retail for $11. They do look nice. Long and full. Okay, I'll have to try them out to see if they're comfortable. And the next item is from Jubel Naturals. This is the Pink Grapefruit Repair Cream, $12. It says Ultra Rich Reparative Moisture, bursting with the aroma of fresh pink grapefruit. Use after bathing, showering, or anytime as needed. And this is vegan and cruelty free, as are all the products that come in the box from Fashionsta. Alright, and then, and from State of Kind, this is the Kindly Restore Sleep Concentrate with rosehip seed oil and bakuchiol. Okay. And this retails for $65. It says this multitasking deep concentrate is formulated to deeply nourish, repair, and hydrate overnight. Leave skin supple, fortified, and hydrated. And the final item is an eyeshadow palette. It says Copycat Cosmetics on here, but on the paper it says Crown. So it says Crown Brush, Shocked Palette. And it says Copycat Cosmetics, Shocked. So I guess they're the same company. I don't know. But it says 6 matte and 3 shimmers in this beautiful 9-shade palette. Perfect for pops of color and dimension, with great pigmentation and blendable perfection. Let's see. Sounds pretty remarkable. There's the package. And it has a little mirror there. And these are the colors. Nice colors. The purple, this blue right here, and this green color up here, those are the shimmers. Everything else is matte. Alright, that's nice. I won't swatch it yet because I'm not sure if I'll keep it. And this palette retails for $27. Okay, so that's everything for the box. Now let's see what's in the Tried Beauty bag. Alright. I decided to do both of these together because I'm taking a break from both of them. I paused them both for a few months because I would like to try some other beauty boxes just to try something different for a little while. So let's see. I want to come up. Everything is in another bag, so I'm trying to get it out. All right. Says, thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy your Tribe Beauty Box of the month. Share the love. Refer a friend, and both of you will receive 10% off. So there it is. And looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items this month. And the first item is from Suva Beauty. This is Fictional Reality Lipstick. It retails for $18. It says Suva Beauty's Fictional Reality Liquid Lipstick is formulated for all-day hydration and flexibility. One smooth stroke of this brilliant color will last through multiple coffees and endless compliments. Well, that sounds nice. Let's take a look at it. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful color. I do like pink lipstick. Let's see what it looks like. And this is a liquid lipstick. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Wow. There's the swatch right there. Oh, yeah, I do like that. It's beautiful. Okay. And this retails for $18. The next item is from Nomad Cosmetics. This is Illuminator. Okay, Sydney Bathers, Balmoral Beach. No, I'm sorry, not Bathers. Sydney Bathers. Okay, and the card says Sydney Bathers Highlighter, smooth, blendable, and buildable highlighter with glistening pearls to create the sun-kissed look of the sexy Sydney Siders. Infused with macadamia oil to help skin feel soft and moisturized. And here is the box. Oh, it has something. Oh. The mirror came unglued. This is the mirror. It was glued on there, but it came off. Okay, so it's supposed to be like that. But anyway, this is the highlighter. Beautiful salmon pink type highlighter. Like coral with a little bit of golden shimmer in it. It's really pretty. I guess I'll swatch it because I won't give this away with the mirror broken like this. And this retails for $17. Let's see what it looks like. There it is on my finger. And on my hand. It's nice. I see much more of the gold when I swatch it than I do in the pan. See, it looks sort of coral in the pan, but it's more gold on my hand. All right. And then we have 2 face masks. One is the Poreless Coconut and Rice. This is the moisturizing and soothing sheet mask. And this retails for $6. It says this natural fiber mask infused with coconut, rice, and restorative Asian botanicals delivers antioxidants and minerals to your skin. This power blend soothes and nourishes while fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Coconut locks in moisture while rice brightens, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. A lot of claims for a face mask. Okay, and then the other face mask is from We Glow. This is the Rich Collagen Face Mask. Essential fruit extracts to give you a divine, dewy glow on the go. Perfect anytime right before applying your makeup, an evening out, or a simple night in. And this one also retails for $6. And then from Able Skincare, This is the 3-in-1 Glycolic Acid Molecular Boost Eye Serum. This retails for $160. Really? I thought this said $16 when I looked at it, but it says $160. Okay. All right. It says this eye serum is designed for your delicate eye area. The nutrients are blended specifically to reduce puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. Glycolic acid aims to penetrate the skin deeply, boosting its firmness while contributing to smooth, fine lines, to treat blackheads, dullness, and oiliness. Okay. I guess for $160, they should do a whole lot of stuff. All right, and the final item is an eyeshadow palette from Lorella Cosmetics. This is the Totally Tubular palette that retails for $29. I do remember seeing on Try Beauty Box's Instagram that they were doing an 80s theme. So I guess that's why they chose this palette called Totally Tubular. It has a lot of names, like from 80s movies and stuff on the back. The names of the shadows are from 80s movies, like Heathers, Bueller, Radical, Magnolias, you know, from a lot of the popular movies in the 80s. And this is the shadow. Oh, it has a huge mirror. And these are all of the eyeshadows. That's beautiful. I like that. It's a lot of really nice colors. Get it this way. Okay. I might give this one to my daughter. I think she would like it. She might get a kick out of the names, these old movies. All right. So for Try Beauty Box, we got the eyeshadow palette, the Silver Beauty Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick. There. Gorgeous. The Able Skincare. I can't wait to try this out. Even though I'm using an eye cream, I can't wait to try out this $160 eye cream to see if it's really going to do anything. Oops. I don't think anything can justify that price, but we'll see how it goes. Try it on my hand here. No smell, very little. The smell is very slight and it absorbs right away. No residue at all. Okay, that's good for patting around your eyes. You don't want anything too heavy. And we got the 2 face masks. And we got the Nomad Cosmetics highlighter with the detached mirror. So that's everything that I got in the Try Beauty Box and the box from Fashionsta. Thank you for watching. Bye.